Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock DW-6900. And first, make sure you are in the timekeeping mode. And if you're not sure, just press the mode button several times until you hear the high-pitched beeping sound like this one. Okay, now press the adjust button on the top left, and you will see that the second is blinking. We can set the second by pressing the start-stop button, so it's going to become 0 if you press this button. And if it is 29 or less, then it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. Okay, another thing you can also set here is the time format. And to do that, you can press the G button or the light button. And this one 9 PM or 24 hours format, so whichever you want. Okay, next press the mode button. And now the hour is flashing. You can press the start stop button to increase. Okay. But sorry, you cannot use this button to decrease. So yeah, it's going to increase. And yeah, after 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So let me press and hold. And return to 21. Okay, now press the mode button. And we are moving to the minute. So 05, you can press the start stop button to increase. And yes, again, you cannot use the split reset to decrease. So use this button to increase. And if the number is already passing, then you can press until 60 or 00 and then again up to the number that you need. So let's say now 2120. Okay, and then after that press the mode button. And now is the year 2023. So to increase the number, you can press the start stop button like this one. Okay, and if already passing the number that you want, then you can press the start stop button until it reach 2099 and it will start again from 2000. So let me show you. Okay, 99 and now 2000. So let me get back to 2023. Okay, now press the mode button. We are moving to the month December, so again press the start stop button to increase and so on. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now is the date and use the start stop button to increase. And that's it. If you press the mode button, now you are returning to the second setting, and if you're done with the setting, you can press the adjust button to exit from this adjust mode. And that's it, done for the basic setting of the Casio G-Shock DW-6900. If you need more detail about the setting of this watch, you can also check our video. I will put the link in the description. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Have a great day.